Hey everybody, Chris Pulver here, and welcome back to another segment of the Pulver Report, where we trade to be profitable, not perfect. Today's installment is a really important video for those can be, will be, and even wanna be traders and investors. So I've been getting a lot of comments during my live Pulver Report sessions, and it doesn't matter whether we're talking about stocks, we're talking about trading options, Forex, or even cryptocurrencies. I can see that there are a lot of people that are just asking me, how do I get started trading? So today I want to tackle that question head on and provide some of my must-knows and my shortcut guide to getting started in trading regardless of financial instrument and asset class. Right now, I would say this: trading stocks and options is so hot right now, okay? It's like Hansel hot. So if you're a fan of the movie Zoolander, you get the reference. Stocks left and right are hitting highs. We have a 12-year overextended bull market. Option volume has never been higher. Brokers like Robinhood, Webull have created these at-your-fingertips trading apps, and it makes trading pretty much like playing a game. And this to me is incredible for a couple of reasons. Number one, I'm seeing aspiring traders and investors at much younger ages. At this point, I've got friends, family members, and friends of family members that are reaching out to me and saying, number one, they love this channel. Number two, they're liking all my videos, so go ahead and hit that thumbs up button for me. I'm also hearing this exact request: how do I get started trading? So that's reason number one. We have lots and lots of new traders, which I'm super excited to be helping traders get started. Number two, trading has never been easier or more affordable to get started as a retail trader. Again, I'll give Robinhood credit. It has completely disrupted this stuffy and traditional stockbroker business by offering zero commission trading. Now, traders look around, you see major brokers with $0 commissions or near zero commissions. Same thing in trading stocks, ETFs, options at zero or near zero commissions. And so all we have to do as traders is focus on trading. And as I've said for many, many years, process equals profits. And that's the focus. So if we just focus on trading and brokers allow us to trade with low commissions or zero commissions, the cost of doing business as a trader is as low as it's ever been. Amazing reason number three, traders now have way more access to markets and information. This access, right, with as little as $100, you can trade and own the world's largest and most powerful companies. You can claim your stake in indices. You can take your piece of the trillions of dollars that are floating around and circulating the financial markets. You have tons of tools at your fingertips, advanced screeners where you can filter thousands of stocks down to a small group that fit your exact parameters, right? You're looking for high beta, implied volatility, open interest, average trading volume, outstanding shares, technical levels, gap percentages. Is price above or below analyst expectations? What about PE ratios, right? Whatever metric you're looking for, these easy-to-use scanners can help you find stocks to review. So you find the stocks, look at your charts, and then do you have a trade? So now that we have more people of all ages very interested in trading, we have brokers offering zero to near zero commissions. We have information that was once reserved for market insiders with the deepest pockets and the most resources now available to the mainstream investor. So this is literally the most amazing time that I've ever seen to be a trader. But I'll say this, with great knowledge and power comes great responsibility. You still have to learn how to trade, and you have to learn how to take care of your capital. Now, common sense should tell us that there is no sure thing, right? No trade is a guarantee. No market or company is 100% foolproof. But if you're looking for one of the best ways to put your money to work for you, to give your money a chance to compound itself many times over, and give yourself a chance to use money to make more of it, there are no better vehicles to do this aside from trading stocks, trading options, futures, Forex, and cryptocurrencies, right? Be an investor, be a trader. They all have learning curves and they all involve risk. But these assets are creating millionaires and billionaires way more than anything else. People that are all in, diamond hands, stonks to the moon, and everything else. The stories of Dogecoin, GameStop, AMC, Bed Bath & Beyond, Tesla, ARK, Capital One, countless others, right? Growth and opportunity is absolutely off the charts. No pun intended. So when it comes to me and my trading, I'm not looking to get lucky, right? I'm looking to get paid. So every trade I take, every investment for me is a calculated decision of technicals, risk to reward, and how well can I manage the upside when the trade is going my way. Right now, I absolutely love the fact that people just want to trade. I seriously love this because guess what? I've been teaching people how to trade for over a decade. I run live sessions, trading rooms, and for people just like you who might know nothing, might know just a little bit, or you're looking to learn how to trade better. So, do you want to know what it takes to be a successful trader? I'm just going to break it down in 2 key elements. Number 1 is a commitment to learn. Okay, good trading is simple. Profits are part of the process. I was really fortunate to learn from professional traders, and I never quit my day job until I had enough money saved to take care of 2 years of expenses, and I could give trading my undivided attention and effort. Now, there were certainly ups and downs in this learning journey for me, okay? I have tons of stories of close calls, lucky results, terrible trades, great trades, and every single one of them is special and unique to me because I lived them. I experienced them, and they've all been valuable lessons. And you know what? You'll have stories too. And I hope that by you committing to learning, how do you trade? Learn the basic do's and don'ts and the best practices, okay? If you do this, you don't have to repeat my mistakes. You don't have to endure my frustrations. In fact, what I want you to do is learn how to trade so you can accelerate the learning curve and start with strong habits at the very beginning. And when we get started and we really focus on the process, it's amazing how just a trade for $1 can at some point be a trade for $100,000. Okay, I'm dead serious about this. The market doesn't care whether you win or lose, right? You could be trading for $1 win today, and you could be trading for $1,000 for those wins next year, or $10,000 to $20,000 over the next decade. It's just a process, and trading and investing is scalable. And those traders and investors who continue to follow a working formula, compounding gains, managing losers and winners appropriately, they're going to be the investors with the financial freedom and the ability to do it all for themselves, right? Nobody has to do this for you. This is why it's so important to learn how to do it. Okay, so the last thing I'll say about the commitment to learn is that you can either pay market tuition or you can actually invest in your education, right? You can follow somebody who trades for real. Once you get into trading, you'll discover that it's a pretty lonely game, right? It's just you and your phone, you and your computer, you against the market. But traders share a common goal, and that's to be profitable, okay? So maybe it looks different for some versus others, but nobody wants to invest in themselves or invest in this time and lose. So I think a big edge in this commitment to learn is learning why successful traders do what they do. Understanding, experiencing, and living through trades from start to finish. Those trading lessons are absolutely priceless. Just remember to learn from them, right? Work on your weaknesses. Continue to polish your strengths and keep trading. All right, factor number 2, and this is a big one, and I don't mean to be harsh here, but don't be lazy. If you think that you can buy your way to guaranteed profits, you're going to find yourself very, very disappointed. And you're going to spend a lot of money, and you're still not going to get the results that you expected. I've met traders that subscribe to newsletters, to basic services for thousands of dollars a year to literally just get a stock pick, right? I've worked with traders who have been burnt by these systems, these strategies that claim to be the holy grail, right? Look, if it's too good to be true, it probably is. Look, profitable trading is not that difficult, right? You want to know the real secret to profitable trading? Okay, do this. Win more than you lose with percents, and win more than you lose in dollars. Okay, think about it. If you win just 50% of your trades, and for every win, you have $100, for every loss, you have $50. All right, so we're talking about 1,000 trades. Now, I don't care if that takes 1 month for some high frequency trading, or it takes 1 year, but you have 50% winners, 50% losers. And so if we win $100. So $100 for wins and 500 trades. That's $50,000. Now let's talk about the losers. When we lose $50 times 500. That's $25,000. After 1,000 trades, this trader, let's call it Trader John Doe, is up $25,000. That's the starting point by just the process. We win bigger in dollars and we win in percentage, right? It adds up. And with literally the same formula, change that $100 winner to now $1,000, right? That same trader goes from $25,000 to now $250,000. All it is It's a percentage risk and a different trade size, but it's a scalable formula. So let me ask you this. Is that type of formula worth working towards? Because I absolutely think that it is. You're talking about financial markets that literally circulate trillions of dollars, and it helps billionaires, millionaires, wealthiest people in the world stay very, very wealthy. Now, I'm not saying that wealth and money is the key to happiness, but I think we can all acknowledge that a bigger checking account, a bigger savings account, a bigger rainy day fund, a bigger portfolio balance, the financial freedom to be debt-free, take a vacation, help friends and family, it can help a lot. And it can start with trading. And if the proven way to see your money grow is to use the same vehicles and tools as the wealthiest people in the world, then I'd say we all have a fighting chance, right? I literally knew nothing about the financial markets 25 years ago, right? Everything has been a process of learning, trial and error, improving, refining, and actually taking the time to focus on my results, right? Make sure that I can try to provide for myself and my family, regardless of the market. If it's a bull market, I want to make money. If it's a bear market, I want to make money, right? I want to beat the market every single year. And it doesn't have to be pretty. It doesn't have to be flawless, and it never will be, but it does have to be profitable. And once you know how to do it, right? Once you know that that process is making you profits, then all you have to do is keep trading, keep investing, and stay open-minded. So would you like a few more tips on getting started? Okay. I'm going to treat this list, these next few tips, as if you're brand new, right? You're a brand new trader and you're looking to get started. Step number 1, identify what market you want to trade, right? Do you want to trade stocks? Look, they're easy to get started. History would show us that stocks are certainly better long versus short, which means we should be buyers of companies rather than sellers. And it's one of the greatest investment vehicles in the world. Okay, you want to trade options. This is a more robust way to trade stocks. You can protect your positions. You can use way less capital in options and make the same amount of money. Okay, profit potential in options is incredible. And although there are these crazy names, it seems sophisticated and complex, but it's actually pretty straightforward once you understand the basics of options trading. Okay, how about Forex? Forex is a true trader's market. Okay, maybe it's more time intensive to learn, but from a technical standpoint, Forex is the most efficient and technically obedient market in the world. You can easily buy or sell. The market is super liquid, and you have the ability to tag along with bull markets and with bear markets, right? With a few currency pairs. Look, I'll give you a hint. If you want to see one currency pair and how it stacks up to the stock market, compare the Australian dollar versus the Japanese yen to the S&P 500. A bull market, you'll see the Aussie yen go up. A bear market, you'll see the Aussie yen go down. It is as simple as you can buy the Aussie yen in a bull market, you can sell the Aussie yen in a bear market, and you can make money. So whether the market is going up or down, currencies can help you trade both directions. How about being a futures trader? This is a market that appeals to the short-term day trader, right? If you want to be a scalper, you can trade index futures, currency futures, commodity futures. This style of trading is about punching in, punching out, and trying to win the day, right? Go to sleep, get up and trade the next day, and win the day. Okay? Another one that's very popular now, cryptocurrencies. High speculation, a lot of future uncertainty, but cryptos have already proven their worth with incredible rallies, ridiculous rallies, like we saw back in 2017 and even in 2020 into 2021. If the future of doing business and exchanging money involves digital currencies and digital assets, cryptos offer very limited downside, right? I know that cryptos could go to zero, but they offer an incredible amount, I would say even life-changing upside, right? If Bitcoin goes to 100,000, to 250,000, to $500,000, to $1 million, we're talking about life-changing opportunity. And as I've said for a while, I think that cryptocurrencies could be the greatest equalizer of wealth that we have ever seen. People that are just getting started in investing could start out with a finite amount of capital, understand that the risk is they could all go to zero. But if they go to where enthusiasts want them to go, there's life-changing opportunity, and we can go from this socioeconomic class to this by just being involved in cryptos. So it's an amazing opportunity, but of course, there's risk in trading. So if you're looking for a suggestion from me, I would say that if you're willing to trade long-term and you're willing to put in the reps to learn how to trade, I really like trading stocks and options and Forex. Okay, they are super liquid. They have a proven track record and big money involvement. The next step is find a broker, right? Find a broker and demo trade or paper trade. This is probably one of the most important aspects of getting started. So you can sign up for a demo account with most of these brokers out there in any asset class, and it is extremely helpful so you can learn how to navigate these platforms. You can place these trades, right? You can buy, you can sell, you can manage positions from start to finish, which means you're managing trades from the very beginning to the very end, right? Paper trading or demo trading is also risk-free, which allows you to stick to the process, right? You should never trade real money until you are comfortable placing trades with these broker platforms and you're confident in your ability to manage a trade from start to finish. This means open, close, managing, refining, modifying, whatever it takes to close a trade successfully. So the demo account or paper trading is like the crawl, walk, run type sequence, right? There's a natural progression. For those that are more tech savvy, okay, most platforms now from brokers are web platforms. They even have advanced platforms, mobile apps, or Windows-based applications for your computer. Okay, they may look and feel somewhat different from broker to broker, but they all serve the same purpose. You place a trade and you manage a trade. That's it. So with the paper trading, you use this step to build your reps and you flex your trading muscles. So nobody should be trading live money until you feel like you're ready. Because when there's real money on the line, most people panic when they don't know what to do. If you use a demo account and use this demo platform first, you should easily be able to take 10, 50, 100 plus trades and get them under your belt before you're ready to go live. And then you already know how to use the platform. When you're live, you can enter, manage, and exit your trades with a lot more confidence because you've done it, let's say, hundreds of times. All right, I think I drove my point home there for demo trading. Step number 3, get educated and find a strategy. Now, I can tell you that I have 10 courses available right now, okay, which I do. I could tell you that I have 2 trading rooms that I run every single day of the week, which I do, okay? But the best foundation to start trading consists of 2 words: price action. Price action. Learn how to trade support. Learn how to trade resistance. Learn how to trade trend lines. If you can put those things together, you literally have thousands of strategies at your disposal. And from a blank chart, learn how to read that chart before you start filling it up with all these indicators, okay? Now look, if you would like some assistance, I would like you to check out my Keep It Seriously Simple video lessons. I have these videos on a ton of different subjects, and you'll see me on a whiteboard, you'll see me on a computer, and I'm talking about things between support, resistance, trend lines, price patterns, adding and winning trades, drawdowns, you name it. So check out those video lessons in my Keep It Seriously Simple series. And one more thing, I also have a video series of my favorite price patterns, and it's actually available for rent or purchase. Right now, I've had this series out there for a while, and I've had thousands of traders tell me that this is the most timeless education that they've ever had. And so, look, for that, I spent a lot of time doing it, and I'm really proud of it. And I think that the video series could help, right? So it's available for rent, so you can try it out, watch the video. If you like it, you can purchase it. It's called Survival Trader. Check it out. I'll include a link in the description. And another really important piece here, final step, find a mentor. Okay, learn from the markets. So if you've narrowed down the type of market you're wanting to trade, and you've started paper trading, you're demo trading, and you're now familiar with the ins and outs of these broker platforms, and you're starting to log these trades in a live trading environment. And if you even add some timeless price action education, and you get some strategies under your belt, guess what? I think you're ready. And so we can start there. When you feel like you're ready to trade, let's get trading, okay? Now, eventually, you realize that you're ready for more. You're looking for more tools and resources, right? So for me as a trader, look, I have a pretty intense trading computer. I have 4 screens. I have a ton of RAM. It's all trading and all work. That's it, okay? I have a laptop with monitor attachments. I have 3 screens with my laptop. So if I'm traveling, I still have plenty of real estate to work with, okay? I have broker apps on my phone. I have trading apps on my phone. I'm monitoring and managing my positions 24 hours a day. I'm trading cryptos, I'm trading Forex, those are 24-hour markets. I have some excellent charting software which helps me with my analysis. I can keep all my charts clean. I can look at my symbols, my tickers. I can experiment with different indicator combinations, and I can keep pushing the boundaries, okay? I like to test different strategies. I like to see, can I build something? Can I automate something that will help me trade better? Okay, when I'm trading in Forex, I use a currency strength chart. Okay, when I'm using stocks, I'm trading stocks, I use several different screeners. I have subscriptions to look for different stock research, fundamentals, and give me an overall executive summary where things are at, what the dividends are. So look, I have VPSs, I've got all the stuff, right? Do you need any of this? Do you need all of this? I'd say no. Like, to get started, follow the easy steps before. But if and when you're ready and you're getting more and more serious about your trading, if you want more information, more tools, more resources at your disposal, these are all helpful add-ons, okay? But like I said, keep it seriously simple, okay? I'm telling you, and I mean this, if all you do in your trading is learn how to trade support, resistance, and trend lines, and you learn how to manage trades from start to finish, and you focus on, do I win more than I lose? Do I win bigger than I lose? That's it. You just keep trading, okay? So look, there's never 100% winning track record. There never will be. The market is always right. The market will never love you back. The market doesn't care how much you win or lose. It all comes back full circle to what I said earlier. It's all about process, right? And with a successful process, profits will follow, all right? So we good? Are you ready to dive in? Are you ready to trade? Because if I can say one thing, you should be excited to trade, okay? Sure, it's going to take time. It's going to take some time to learn. It's going to take some time to log these trades. It's going to take time to see these trades play out from start to finish. But when you put in the time, put in the practice, you focus on the process, then doing it for real is the same thing. Then even though there's real money on the line, it's just about handling the emotions that come with real money, right? Managing those winners and losers and surviving the markets. Time and patience, repetition. Okay, traders that make millions and millions of dollars still lose trades. And at the end of the day, the market is always right. So the more you gravitate towards participating with the trend, or at least the path of least resistance, the better off you're going to be. So keep it seriously simple. Don't overcomplicate it. Don't overthink it. Just focus on the process. In the interim, stay humble, stay open-minded, and good trades will come to you when you know what you're looking for. Trade support, trade resistance, buy low, sell high. And if I still have you here right now watching this video, let me give you a little screen high five, right? Thanks for sticking around. Now, if you're interested in price action lessons, if you're interested in price patterns, all different financial markets, then you can check out my Survival Trader video series. You can rent these videos. If you like them, you can buy them, download them, have them forever. Okay, as a special bonus for watching this video, I'm going to include my Survival Trader blueprint videos to get started, right? These are usually about $100, but for watching this video, I will include those direct links in the description of this video. Okay, these are 3 videos and they contain the type of information that if somebody told me this stuff from day one, okay, I did these videos like after I was in the markets already for 10 plus years. This is the type of information that would have helped me a ton and would have helped me get off on the right foot, okay, and do it a lot faster. So I want you to have them as a big thank you for sticking around and watching today's video, right? And if you want the price action lessons and price patterns, then go ahead and follow up the video series and check them out on the page. I'll include the link to that in this description as well. So I think we're good, right? That'll do it for today's segment of the Pulver Report. And I hope I answered several questions pertaining to how do I get started in trading? I've been hearing it more and more. I know that more traders are out there. I know soon to be traders are out there, right? So I hope that I hear more about your trading journey, right? I want to hear about your successes. I want to hear about your struggles. And if you're to the point where you actually want to trade with me, if you want to trade live with me, look, leave me a comment and just say, Chris, how can I trade with you? Look, I'll send you links to my Flex trading room, my Equities on Demand trading room, and you can trade not only with me, but with these awesome communities of traders that are seeing it, protecting it, and collecting it on a regular basis. Okay? It's all about the process. And if you're still here and you're still watching, okay, double high five and take 1 second, click that like button for me to satisfy this YouTube beast. I want to spread the word of the Pulver Report to the world, right? And you might not think it, but literally every like, every comment, every share of this video helps me in a big way. So I appreciate you watching. Until the next Pulver Report segment, happy trading, lots of profits. I'm excited for you, and I'll see you in the markets. Take care.